Ready to guide your website visitors with a slick and user-friendly navigation bar in Wix? Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix editor on the left-hand side, find and click the Menus and Pages icon. This is where the magic happens. Now, to add your menu items, click the Add Page button. This will create a new page in your website structure. Give your new page a descriptive name that reflects what your visitors will find. You can easily rename a page by hovering over it and clicking the three dots, then selecting Rename. Next, let's link everything up. Open the page's settings by clicking the three dots again here. You can link it to an existing page on your site, an external website, or an anchor. Let's personalize the look. Click on your navigation bar and select Design. Wix offers loads of customization options to match your brand style. Crucially, ensure your navbar is responsive on all devices. Switch to the mobile editor, check your navbar, and adjust the layout if needed. And there you have it. A well-structured navbar improves user experience. Happy customizing.